Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, go for it. That's really unbelievable. And we were just talking, and this LS2 engine has about, what, 550 horse?
About 550.
That's really amazing. I don't think I've ever seen a Vette, especially a 59, that's ever been tricked out like this one is. You'll be able to see more pictures of this car on our SoCalBeachMag.net website. And this car is also for sale. It's a $159,000 car. And for more information, you can call Al at 619-954-1777. Al, were you at the Good Guys show this year?
Yes, I was, but I didn't have this car. I had another car with me.
Was that the 57 or another one?
No, I've got 4 cars, but I did have the 57 at Good Guys.
Yeah, this is just absolutely gorgeous. And we were talking about the rims. What kind of rims are these?
These are Corvette C6.
C6. Yeah, those are really nice. Well, if somebody's looking for all the fun and none of the work,
there it is.
This is the car.